Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you for watching. This is the first tutorial for 2019, you guys. I am super excited to film this video because I will be using the Berries and Cream palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I have been waiting for this video. At first, originally I wanted to film this palette in 2018, of course, but I kept pushing it off and I just decided to just film it in 2019. So yeah, this is going to be my first tutorial for 2019 and I'm super excited and super happy. I really hope you guys will like this video. I'm super excited for the new year. I can't believe how fast the year went by. Super crazy, and yeah, I will never get over how fast the year is going now. But yes, like I did mention, this is going to be the Berries and Creams palette tutorial, and I did incorporated these beautiful shades. We have 12 beautiful shades here, and we have a nice sized mirror on here that keeps flashing at my lights. But yes, I am going to incorporate this palette on here, and I can't wait to show you guys this look that I create for you all. I really hope you guys will enjoy it. But yeah, I really hope 2019 is going well for you all. For me, I've just been working a lot, so it's just been really busy and I've just been so exhausted. So I'm so sorry for the lack of videos, but I promise you I will definitely be having more videos coming your guys' way. And yeah, without blabbing on forever, I really hope you guys will like this video, and if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, then please continue watching. Pretty much done priming my eyes, my face, have foundation on, brows on, and now I'm just going to work on the eyes and the rest of the face. I'm super excited because I am going into the Kristen Dominique's palette, the Berries and Creams palette, and I have been waiting to film a video on this palette, of course. Yeah, so it is finally here, you guys. It is so pretty. I love this mauve tone palette, and it's so huge. It's like so big and sturdy. So yeah, I'm super excited for this one. The colors ranges are so pretty. It's like I'm stuck. I don't know what to do with my eyes right now. So yeah, I'm just looking at it and I'm just so excited for it. The pan size is definitely different. It's not like the circle ones, so it's like different packaging this time around. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump to the palette. Soft and Sweet is the first one I want to go into. Nice beigey shade. I'm actually not sure if it will show up on my skin, but let's go ahead and give it a go. And I love the DC on her pans. It's so cute. Oh yeah, it's actually showing up on my skin. It's actually looking like a mauve tone shade or like a pink shade. I love this mirror right here. It's so clear. I'm liking it. I'm gonna jump into this brown shade called Chocolate Mousse. I'm going to blend that on the outer corners. Same thing to the other side. I feel like it's a little patchy. I don't know if it's my primer. I mean, I used the Smashbox eye primer. I used to really like this one, but I feel like I'm not really liking it right now. I feel like it's more greasy than anything. So I'm not sure what the deal with that one is. But if you take the time to blend it, it's actually blending out pretty nicely. I'm gonna go back into Soft and Sweet and just go ahead and put that on the crease. So now that this is blended out, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going in with my Jouer concealer. I'll use this to cut my crease. Side as well. I'm gonna go to Cherry Pie for the center shade. I love there's like some glitters on there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty. It's like the color of this packaging. Powders all over my face. There are a lot of kick up in this palette, so you want to watch out for that. I'm going to Sugar Cookies for this next shade. I'm going to go in the front part of my lid. Creating like a blue hue or something. Nice. I'm done with it for now, so let's go ahead and jump into the face. And I am going in with my UA Essential High Coverage Concealer. I'm going to put this underneath my eyes. On my nose, on my forehead. I'm going to set this with my powder. Just transforms my face into like skin right here. Going to go into this Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. It has a nice glitter onto it. I'm going to create like a little baby wing. I'm actually going to go into this Anastasia bronzer, and this is in the shade Tawny. I'm going to contour the side of my face as usual. For blush, I am going with this Becca blush, and this is in the shade Flower Child. A nice pink shade. I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Add some of that underneath here to bake. I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and these are just my usual iconic lashes. These are like super easy to put on now, like since it's been worn so much, I pretty much shaped it to my eyes already, so it's like boop boop. I'm going to go ahead and finish the eyes, and I am going to go in with this blue shade called Blueberry Muffin. I haven't had like a blue under my eyes in a while. One of my favorite Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Out of the Blue. This is like one of my favorite blues. It's like the nice cobalt blue. And I'm going to line underneath my waterline. Sugar Cookies is going on the inner corners. We are almost to the finish line, and for highlighter I am going in with this beautiful palette. This is the Highlight Heaven palette, and this is a nice highlighter palette from Time Los Angeles. And I'm going to dip into this beautiful shade right here. It is called Heavenly. And oh my gosh, it is heavenly indeed. So my nose. This palette is so stunning. I have been using this highlighter palette non-stop ever since I got it. So congrats to Time Los Angeles and Ashley Wagner for creating such a beautiful palette. I really trust like influencers when they like create palettes because they really know what's good for you, you know, like they really know that you want that blinding highlight. We are going to end this video with the lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going in with is also from Time Los Angeles. And this is in the shade Looking Cute and Feeling Cute. Right, and this is the lips. I'm going to spritz my face. This is the Aquel Licorice pH Balancing Essence Mist. So this is like a Korean setting spray. Just to give like a nice mist to the face, and I love it. This is the look that I created for you guys. I really hope you guys like it. I really like this palette so much. I mean, it was a little bit harder to blend out, but like I said, I'm gonna have to try that again because I don't know if it's my primer or what. I used to really like that primer, but I don't know. I feel like on my eyes it doesn't really make the eyeshadows pop out. But yeah, so I will definitely be using this palette a lot. I really like this look, and I definitely can't wait to use more from this palette. And I really want to thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and hello to 2019. I can't wait to see what this year is all about. I really hope everybody has a good 2019, and until my next video, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell if you guys want to be updated on my videos, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.